Hello friends, I am Akanksha Vishwanath Dongre from TYCSE branch, and today I will explain two fundamental types of network communication: connection oriented and connectionless. These concepts are essential for understanding how different applications manage data transfer. Let's begin. Introduction. Communication in networks mainly happens in two ways: connection oriented and connectionless. Knowing the difference between them helps in designing better network systems and choosing the right protocols for various applications. Next, what is connection oriented communication? In connection oriented communication, a path or connection is first established between sender and receiver. Before that, before data is transferred. This ensures that data is delivered in the correct order and without loss of any data. A good example is a telephone cell or the TCP protocols. Features of connection oriented communication. Here are the main features. It requires a setup phase, offers reliable data transfer and acknowledgements are sent, and maintains the order of messages. Highly overhead. However, all these adds extra overhead which can slow things down a bit. Next, what is connectionless communication? Connectionless communication works without any setup. Each packet is sent independently. Sorry, each packet is sent independently and can take different paths. There is no guarantee it will reach the destination in the correct order. A good analogy is sending letters through postal mail or using the UDP protocols. These are the simple examples. Features of connectionless communication. This method doesn't require any type of setups, so it's faster and simpler. But there's a trade-off, it's less reliable. It is less reliable. Packets may arrive out of order or not at all, and there are no acknowledgements. The overhead is much lower though. Key differences. Table format. This table shows a side by side comparison. Connection-oriented protocols like TCP are reliable, maintain order, and use acknowledgement, but they were slower connectionless protocols like UDP are faster with lower overhead but less reliable and don't guarantee order. Example of protocol TCP and UDP. Use cases connection oriented. In connection oriented. Use connection oriented communication. when accuracy and reliability are key, like in file transfers or web browsing. Use connectionless methods when speed is more important, like in online gaming or voice calls, where slight data loss is accepted. In connectionless online gaming, we zero IP for speed and DNS lookups. Advantages and disadvantages of this. Connection oriented. In connection oriented, it is reliable data integrity, slower, but it is slower and more complex. In connectionless, it is faster, simpler, but data may be lost. No guaranteed order. Each method has its pros and cons. Like this, connection oriented ensures data integrity, but is slower and more complex. Connectionless is fast and simple, but may lose data. The right choice depends on what matters, where reliability or speed. Next is conclusion. To summarize both communication methods, to summarize both communication methods are useful in different scenarios. Choose connection oriented for reliability and connectionless for speed and low resource use. It's all about the needs of the application. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. If any if you have any question, then comment.